Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're looking at a tool called TopDon ArtiDiag 800 and we're using it on a Land Rover Discovery here, which you can see we've got a few warning lights on the dashboard. These warning lights will be no stranger to Land Rover owners, unfortunately, so having one of these tools, not necessarily this one, but you can go for this one, is just really important to any Land Rover owner. Okay. If you are interested in this tool, by the way, what I'll do is I'll pop the link in the description below this video, because there are fakes, there are clones on the market, and if you want to make sure you're getting the genuine and official product, then make sure you use the link in the description below this video. So we're going to click on to Diagnose, and what we can do is you can automatically detect your vehicle, or you can just manually select it. So I'm just going to manually look for Land Rover. Here we are, and what we've got is obviously these warning lights. We're gonna diagnose them and reset them. Sorry, I'm miles away here. I'm just trying to explain something and then looking at what's on screen. So yeah, we've got the check engine light, we've got the 3 amigos, and we've got the airbag light. So we're going to manually select our vehicle, which is a Discovery. It's a Discovery 3. It's a 2007 model, and we're going to go to diesel V6. That's the engine type of this vehicle. So it's just trying to connect to the vehicle or reading the VIN number from the vehicle. I have used this vehicle with a lot of different tools actually, and a lot of them do struggle to find the VIN number on this particular vehicle. I'm not sure why, but there we go. It hasn't told us either way whether it's found the VIN or not, so that's not very helpful. But there we go. We go to system selection, and first of all we go to the engine control module, read fault code. We'd previously diagnosed this fault. We'd found a faulty mass airflow sensor, which is explaining the check engine light. So what we're going to do is just go back. We've put the new MAF or sensor in, and we'll go to clear fault memory. And when I do this, just keep an eye straight away there. The check engine light has gone. Okay, and the same with the SRS system. That's the airbag. What we've done is we had to unclip the connection for the passenger seat, and we didn't unclip the battery first, so that's what's caused the airbag light. And we weren't too bothered about that because we knew we had the tool to actually reset it. So, and plus it makes a video for you showing this tool working on the airbag system. So there we go. We've got those 3 intermittent faults there, and we go to back and we click on to clear fault memory. I'll keep an eye on the airbag light. There we go. Airbag light is gone. And that leaves us with the 3 amigos, the ABS, the traction, and the other brake warning light. So for this one we'll go down to, is it vehicle dynamics control? There it is. And we'll go to read fault code, front right wheel speed sensor circuit. So we did find a faulty front ABS sensor, so we need to go back. We've put a new ABS sensor in, by the way. Click on to clear fault memory. Clearing DTCs has succeeded. You'll notice though that the fault warning lights are still there. This time you need to reset the engine for these faults. So we'll do that. Start the engine again, and there you see the warning lights have turned off. So that's the ArtiDiag TopDon 800. It does cover a lot of other systems as well. Obviously it doesn't just cover Land Rover. You saw at the start of the video that it does cover like a lot of other makes and models as well. I'll just show you a quick bit on that. So, one thing I didn't mention, well actually there's probably a lot I haven't mentioned about this tool. I just really wanted to show you this tool quickly on a Land Rover, but you can use like this button system here as well, so you can either use the touchscreen or the button system. What I'll do is I'll go to home, and then what you can also do is go to services, and this is where you get like special functions. So you can do like new battery registration, steering angle sensor, oil service resets, DPF regeneration, gear learning, injector coding, gearbox reset, electronic throttle relearn. So there are quite a few special functions that this tool can do. Gives you live battery voltages as well. So yeah, it's quite a good kit. I'm not saying it's the best out there. It's quite chunky and bulky. You can sit it down. It does have like a stand on the back where you can sit down on your desk. But there it is. The purpose of this video wasn't really to do a full in-depth review of this tool or anything like that. It was just purely to show you this tool diagnosing and resetting some faults on a Land Rover. And that's exactly what we've done. So I hope it helps, guys. If you are interested in this tool, like I say, there are fakes, there are clones on the market, so make sure you use the link in the description below this video, because that will take you to the official and the genuine product. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.